Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to enable or disable system sounds on your CHiQ L32. So first let's go over to all settings. So go to the gear icon here. Now scroll down until you guys see system. And in the system, scroll a bit down. And here we have the system sounds. So here you can basically disable them when they are gray and gray and white, then that means it's disabled, and when it's gray and blue, then that means it's enabled. So this is how you guys can change that in the system. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.